Hey, what's up boys? It's your boy Chex here, and today's video is going to be a different type of video. Today's video boys, we are going to be, I'm just going to show you guys how to edit in Premiere Pro like TEAWAP and FaZe Banks and how all the big YouTubers do. So let's get straight into it boys. Alright you guys, before we get into how to edit like TEAWAP and all the big other YouTubers, first thing you're going to want to do is download the things in the description. These are presets, effects, sound effects, green screens, and everything. Alright you guys, I'll import one of the clips that I'm gonna use. It's just from one of my old videos, so yeah, don't judge. But yeah, I'm just gonna cut up and then I'm just gonna show you like a sneak peek of what we're gonna do and how the YouTubers do it. And honestly, I used to think they took hours to edit and just like it just seems so hard and everything, but once you have all the downloads that I have in the description, it's the easiest thing in the world boys, and I'm about to show you guys how. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna unlink the audio from this clip. I'm gonna right click, unlink it. I'm gonna delete the audio. You guys don't have to do this, but I'm just showing you guys, how to do it. Oh my god, it won't even go over it. Okay, I'm gonna clear that. You're gonna look up Flickr right here. Oops, spelled it wrong, oopsie. I'm gonna put it right there, search it, and Sapphire Time Flickr, it's right here. Gonna put that on, and this is like the effect that you see on all FaZe Banks videos. As soon as he starts the video, you have that little flicker effect like this. You'll see right here. So yeah, flicker effect. But yeah, you're gonna have that, and then we're gonna pull up the green screen. Crap, what am I doing? Go to this over here. Then go to green screen. This comes with the pack that's gonna be in the description. Anime zoom, and it's usually what they do. They put it right here, go right there, go back to effects, look up Ultra. It's called Ultra Key. That's the best green screen on here. You're gonna go like that, go over to the liquid tool, whatever it's called, click the green screen, double click the green screen, make it bigger. Honestly, I'm just running through this because that's the type of YouTube videos I like, getting straight to the point, so I'm not gonna talk a lot. I'm just gonna show because that's the type of person I am, boys. But yeah, go like that, and then we have the flicker effect with this, and then also the pack. The pack's so good, guys. I downloaded it from this YouTuber. I don't know what his name was, but he really saved my YouTube career. Look at this, FaZe Banks intro song. Look at this. Let me put it in for you, boys. This is the easiest thing to do, boys. But my computer, it's not the best, so it takes me a little longer to edit. Because if I had a better computer, oh my gosh, I'd be able to edit like in an hour, a 10-minute video. So yeah, it's pretty easy. You're gonna unlink the audio from the video, clear the video, go back to the audio where the beat drops, which is right there, I believe. Split it. And also guys, it's so insane. The pack even comes with the text presets that they have. It's so crazy to me, honestly. We're gonna lower the volume since I don't wanna freaking bust you guys' ears, but yeah, let's turn it down. Oh my god. And here it is. Oh. Yeah, they have the flicker, the sound. It's super laggy since I'm recording with OBS and my computer's not the best, but that's exactly what they do. And then if you want to add the text, oh yeah, okay, you're gonna go right here, you're gonna create text. This is exactly how you get the same text effect they have in all their videos. Let me show you boys. Gonna go right here, we're gonna be like oh my god, 10,000 euros. Even though I'm American, whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna go right here, go to Arial. Honestly, I use the magic. I'll show you guys what one. I'll even put that in the description for you boys. It's called, what's it called again? Magic Dreams. And then, yep, right there. Yeah. And then I'm gonna grab this tool, put it in the middle, exit, and then you go over here, you drag it back in on top of it, make it longer, and then you're gonna want to go to effects. Look, go to RG Universe Stylize, get the Hollow Matrix effect, apply it to the text, boys, and it gives that effect. Oh my god, I spelled mine wrong, but yeah, it's so easy and insane. The effects, you can literally just grab effect. I don't know, it's so easy to me, honestly. It's so It helps so much, honestly, because you can have the worst video and the editing will just make it look so good. So yeah, I'm gonna put the links on how to download them in the description. It has all the music, all the text effects, all that. Oh yeah, let me show you guys the transition to the video also. So I'm gonna go right here. Let me go to transitions. So click this, go to video transitions, and it's RG universe transitions, and then they have the best transitions. Boys. Look at this one. This is the one I love using. It's called a VHS transition. Let me show you what it's like, boys. I just put it right there, and it should show up on this side. Let me click this. I don't know, but yeah, let me make this wider so I can see the transition. Make sure it's on there. And I'm gonna double click the transition. And I'm gonna make it a little longer. Let's make it 50. I'll do that. And let me show you guys what the transition is. Look at this. It's one of the VHS transitions that flips onto the other clip. My computer is super laggy. I wish I could show you guys, but you just have to see for yourself. Download it, and it's so good, boys. But yeah, let me show you the same transition that all the big YouTubers use. They use the same exact transition, same exact sound effects, just like FaZe Rug, FaZe Banks, all of them. So it's just this warp transition that they use. And so let me show you guys that transition, and then it goes into another clip, and they all use the same sound effect. Let me show you guys. Double click here, go to sound effects. They use, it's called Whoosh. Oh wait, Whoosh 1. Where is it? Oh, yeah, right here. Let me open it. And you're gonna drag the Whoosh one right where the transition happens. So it just looks like this, but I would have another clip right here that would just transition right into another clip, and it would be so perfect. Just like that. It's so amazing, it's so simple, so easy, boys. So I really recommend that you guys download RT Universe. I promise it's not a sponsor. I'm just saying it's helped my YouTube a lot. Even though I haven't really grown yet, I'm on the grind and I'm going to be big, boys. So if you guys want to add like FaZe Banks, TEAWAP, Ricegum, FaZe Rug, download this. It has all the sound effects, all the text, all the perfect transitions. And boys, I used to be stuck on Sony Vegas for the longest, and it just kept crashing on me. And I downloaded Premiere Pro, and I had no clue how to use it. I was like, bro, I really don't want to learn. It'll take too much time. But one day, I watched like 5 YouTube videos that were 5 minutes each, and now I know how to edit. So good on Premiere Pro. I downloaded this software like 2 weeks ago or something. I'm already like so pro at it. I'm not gonna lie. So it's really simple to use once you get the hang of it. I thought I'd be on Sony Vegas forever, but yeah, Premiere Pro has helped my YouTube so much. So yeah, I'll put a link on how to crack it down below so you guys can crack it and get it for free, because I don't think anyone wants to pay freaking $100 a month for this software or whatever. So I'll put all the links in the description below. And yeah, you boys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you all for watching, bro.